You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chevrolet Camaro. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, reverse sensing system, and one-touch window functionality. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.